Check out the stuff you gotta walk in to get down to the pond. It's almost up to my knees. Yo, what's up guys? Check this crap out. A little 360 action. So much white, it'll hurt your eyes. Need some sunglasses out here, but we already got a couple holes punched. Tested one out right there at first. So just to be safe, I'm going through here, punching holes all the way through, test the thickness. So it's not the safest, but this is what we're working with. Hopefully we can catch some bluegills. Always like to bring this old lady some fish, so I'm gonna try to catch her some fresh fish. Try to not fall in. All right, so right here we got a little tungsten jig. That's what we're using, a tungsten jig. I got a little diamond on there, and then I got a little spike on the back. It's a glow in the dark 13 fishing spike. I'm gonna activate the glow in it by using my phone. Tip it with a little wax worm. Right now on the tip up, I got this little forage minnow. It's got a little red hook on the back of it. Now I'm gonna tip this one with red worms. I'll try to catch some bass with this baby. That's what that looks like. Awful slushy. Ooh, there was a hit. Dang, that's a good one. Man, that thing's nice looking. Alright, there we go. This one feels... Oh, that thing's tiny, dude. I'm gonna take it over here and release it in this other hole. Get down there, buddy. Alright, see ya. So here's what I do. I just flip it and I let it go all the way down till the line stops coming out. It's pretty deep right here too. And when it hits the bottom, I'll flip my bell and just give it one crank. Man, that guy right there wanted it. There we go. That might be a bass. Nope, that's a bluegill. Okay, so here's another one. I think this makes like 5 on the day. And I think my buddy, he's caught 5 as well. Oh no, I think I got that in my glove. But yeah, this is a little smaller one, but it'll do. After we're done, we're taking them up to that farmhouse up there. I'll clean them up for her. Just got a pile up here we're making. Get back down there. Thought I had a bass for a minute.
The fat boy.
Oh, that's a good one.
Lunch. We're taking that to the old lady.
There's one more. That's a good one, dude. This one feels way better. Might be a bass. No. Ooh. Nice. Man, that's a nice one. That's the biggest one I've got. Alright, there we go. That's my biggest of the day right there. And these things got some shoulders on them. They fight good too. I want to get a couple more like that and then get out of here. So hopefully we can catch 2 or 3 within like the next 10 minutes and get out of here, y'all. There we go, 7th keeper. We're gonna go for 1 more and get out of here. Here we go, I got one. Let's get out of here. All right, we're getting out of here. I got a nice little mess to take home. Out here freezing, so I appreciate y'all being with us. We're about to have to walk all the way up that hill right there. The truck's like up there. When I get to the house, I'll show you guys what all I caught and let y'all check them out. All right, so here's the final haul. Now, these are some good chunky bluegill. I'm gonna clean them up for Mrs. Jeffries. I'm gonna get these babies cleaned up real nice. Now, these are some of the nicest people in the world. Anytime I call and ask to go bass fishing, they never say a word about it. So this is how you're supposed to do, people, man. All right, now let's flay these babies up. All right, y'all, there's the finished product, parasite free. Now I have a lot of people ask me why I don't keep fish. Certain times of the year I do. When the water's nice and cold, like it is right now, it's the best time to keep them. But these fish right here got somebody's special name on them. This is my respects for her letting me use her land. This is how things were done back in the day. There ain't no reason they need to change. So I appreciate everybody watching. Make sure you guys hit that like, share me out, and don't forget, love thy neighbor. Be good to your neighbors, and be good to the people around you. Appreciate you guys watching, and I'll catch y'all next time. Peace.